Well, hello, friends. It's Marquita yet again. So, I'm trying to turn my kitchen into a photography studio for a fashion haul, and it's not quite working out. I started with sheets and Dollar Tree clips, and I was gonna put some pampas grass and stuff around. Then I went to Five Below and found this backdrop. Y'all, this is a good quality fabric crap product because it's too small, so I would have to sew like 10 of them together. Quality is good. It's like a lining fabric. It's good. Really. Five Below backdrop is way too small and much smaller than it shows on the box. So back to my sheets and my clips. I want to create some kind of casual, luxurious aesthetic. I can see like a vase and pampas grass, but no. So this project is not turning out like I wanted to, and it's kind of stressing me out really bad. So then I get this most brilliant idea to make things better. Cookies. Oh, what's your family dollar? These. So I used 4 plastic tablecloths for my backdrop. If you have any ideas on backdrops to make things easier, please comment down below. But this video is to be continued because I'd really like to see what else I could do with these tablecloths. I'll see.
Listen, I can't make it.
Here's the final look of my setup. If you have any ideas, please don't forget to comment down below. I thank you all so much for watching. I love you. I'll see you in the next one.